Understanding food scraps, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, food scraps. This term may seem simple, but it's quite important in everyday conversation, especially when discussing cooking or waste management. Let's dive into what food scraps really means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Food scraps refer to the small pieces of food that are left over after cooking or eating. These could be peels, cores, or bits of food that are too small to be used or eaten. They are often considered waste or compost material. Understanding this term is key when discussing cooking, food preparation, or waste management in English. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. Peels from fruits like bananas or oranges, cores from apples or pears, ends of vegetables like carrots or cucumbers, bones from meat after eating. These are all considered food scraps because they are typically not eaten and are discarded after food preparation or consumption. Now, let's see how to use food scraps in sentences. 1. We should throw the food scraps in the compost bin. 2. Are there any food scraps left from dinner that we can use for the soup? 3. Please clean the food scraps off the table. These examples show how the term can be used in different contexts related to cooking, cleaning, and waste management. Understanding food scraps is not just about language, it's also about understanding culture and environmental responsibility. Proper disposal of food scraps, like composting, is important for reducing waste and helping the environment. This aspect is often discussed in English-speaking countries, emphasizing sustainability and eco-friendliness. I hope this video has helped you understand what food scraps means in English and how you can use this term in your daily life. Remember, learning a language also means understanding the cultural and environmental contexts behind the words. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.